Good day, students. Today we are going to take a look at example on the same geometric progression. Now, this is a very unique problem which you have to pay attention to understand. So let's take a look at the solution. Before we do that, let's read the question to the hearing of everybody. Find the three numbers in GP whose sum is 28 and whose product is 512. So let the numbers be A over R, A and AR. So whenever you are given this kind of problem, you use this instead of using AR and AR square, because this will take you a lot of time to arrive at the solution. So it's advisable to use this simple one to get to the problem faster. So we are told that the first statement said that the sum is 28, meaning T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to 28, implies that A over R plus A plus AR is equal to 28. So if you multiply through by R, you're going to have that A plus AR plus AR squared will be equal to 28R. Now, the second, let's say this is equation 1. The second statement says the product is 512. That means T1 times T2 times T3 equal to 512. This implies that A over R times A times AR equal to 512. So this will cancel this. We have R cubed is equal to 512. So A will be equal to cube root of 512. That is 8. That is 64 times 8. So that one is gone. So let's take a look at that equation there. But from 1, A plus AR plus AR squared is equal to 28R. This implies that 8 plus 8R plus 8R squared is equal to 28R. So if you arrange it in quadratic form, 8R squared plus 8R minus 28R plus 8 is equal to 0. So 8R squared minus 20R plus 8 is equal to 0. When divided through by 4, you're going to have that 2R squared minus 5R plus 2 will be equal to 0. By factorization, we can say you factorize. You're going to have that 2R squared minus 4R minus R plus 2 will be equal to 0. So you have 2R bracket R minus 2 minus 1 bracket R minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2R minus 1 into R minus 2 will be equal to 0. Therefore, R is equal to 1 over 2 or 2. But we always pick the positive. We always pick the whole number so that it will be easier for us to handle. So the terms are A over R. So what is really our A? We have gotten A. So these terms are A over R, A and the AR, which will be equal to 8 over 2, 8 and 8 times 2. This will be equal to 4, 8 and 16 are the terms. So from there, we take a look at the next example. This particular example is very crucial because we are going to make use of geometric mean solution. Remember that if the three terms are in GP, meaning that the middle term B is equal to square root of AC. So what is the middle term here? Our A is equal to 3 minus x, or B is equal to 6, or C is equal to 7 minus 5x. So following that, I say that B squared, which is 6 squared, will be equal to A is 3 minus x multiplied by 7 minus 5x. And if you expand that, that will give you 21 minus 15x minus 7x plus 5x squared. So that means that 36 will be equal to 21 minus 22x plus 5x squared. Then when you collect like terms, you're going to have that 5x squared minus 22x plus 21 minus 36 is equal to 0. So we are going to have 5x squared minus 22x minus 15 is equal to 0. So what we have now is two numbers, you add them together, have minus 75. You have that. So that, let's take a look at factorize x squared. You can see that minus 25x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Then factorize. Look for three numbers. If you add them together, you have minus 22. Apply them together, you have minus 75. So this will be 5x bracket x minus 5 plus 3 bracket x minus 5 is equal to 0. So what you are going to have now is 5x plus 3 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. By zero property, we are going to have that x is equal to minus 3 over 5, or x is equal to 5. So we have gotten what you want, but they are asked us to find the common ratio. So if we pick x to be 5, the first term will be, the terms we have now are 3, that's t1 is equal to 3 minus x, will be equal to 5. 3 minus 5 gives you minus 2. The second t2 is already 6. So t3 will be equal to 7 minus 5x will be 7 minus 20. 7 minus 5x minus 25. So we need to find out what 7 minus 25 is. 7 is a minute. 7 minus 25. That's minus 18. Minus 18. So you are going to have the term to be minus 2, 6, and minus 18. So the common ratio R is equal to minus 3. While the values of x are gotten that. So these are how it goes. Thank you for listening. If you have any problem or any question for the solution, you can say therefore finally that R is equal to the common ratio, that the B part of the problem. The common ratio is minus 3.